Hi, I'm Christina, and I'm spending 3 weeks traveling around the beautiful country of Poland for the very first time. I started my journey in the lively city of Krakow, and I've enjoyed seeing both the city and the surrounding sights. Now I only have time for one more activity, and I'd love to bring you guys along. It's my last day here in KRAKOW, and it's starting off at a cute little cafe where I got a nice cappuccino, and I'm going to go to a pierogi making class this morning, and then after that I'm actually off to my second city here in Poland. Can you guess which one it is?
Cooking Polish food is like very family thing for me. I feel a little bit now like I'm your Polish mama. So if you ever decide to make it at home, please send me photo because I get excited. Okay, so we can start mixing. We have already flour here. We mix it, yes, the butter will melt. And then we can start adding it to the flour. Go in with our hands, yes, and we want to mix it together, yes, mix all the ingredients together. But now you add the flour, so you can add a little bit more if it's a little bit stickier. And now we just knead it on the thing, and now we can knead the dough to make it softer and just give it some tough love.
While the dough is resting, it was time for us to get started on the fillings. First, we chopped up some onions to be caramelized later and used as a topping. Then we also chopped up some blueberry for our sweet pierogi, and we mashed some potato with some cottage cheese for our savory pierogi, also known as pierogi ruskie, which you can find on menus all around Poland.
Slavic people believe that this cheese protects you from the demons.
Oh, really?
So we have a double protection today. You eat this pierogi and you are protected both from vampires and other kinds of... Yes, yes, yes. So now everyone has the circles, yes? And now we take, not much, okay, not much, because you want to have, when you put the filling inside, you put it in the middle, and you want to have the circle of the dough around it. So we close it with the fingers, and now we have forks, and now we close the edges with the fork.
Katarina's Airbnb experience was absolutely amazing, and I recommend it to anybody who is spending time in Krakow. I will be sure to leave her information in the description below. Although I've had an amazing experience here in Krakow, it's time for me to grab my bags and head further south. Even though I accidentally broke my camera on the way to the bus station, I am still very excited to show you guys the next stop on my journey. So make sure that you click that subscribe button so you can find out where that is. I'd like to welcome you guys to the beautiful